Hello students, good afternoon. Now I am going to explain you trigonometry 8 topic. This is about multiples and submultiple angles. So what are multiples of angles? See here. If A is an angle, then multiple angles are multiple angles are 2A, 3A, 4A and so on. These are multiples of angle A. Now, what are submultiple angles? Submultiple angles are A by 2, A by 3, A by 4, so on. These are submultiple angles. Now, we know that WKT means we know that A plus B sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now, replace in the place of B, A. Put B is equal to A. Then we will get sin of A plus A is equal to sin A cos A plus cos A sin A. So, sin A cos A plus cos A sin A, it is nothing but 2 sin A cos A. So, this is the value of sin 2A. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A into cos A. Now, sin 2A value in terms of tan. Just now I told you sin 2A value is 2 sin A into cos A. So, to find sin 2A in terms of tan, keep this 2 sin A cos A divided by 1. Now, 1 can be written as 2 sin A cos A divided by sin square A plus cos square A. This is equal to get in terms of tan, divide numerator and denominator by cos square A. 2 sin A cos A divided by cos square A divided by sin square A plus cos square A divided by sin square A plus cos square A divided by cos square A. Now, we will get here, you observe the numerator, square and cos will get cancelled. We will get 2 sin A by cos A means 2 tan A divided by, here sin square A by cos square A, separate sin square A with cos square A, sin square A by cos square A plus cos square A by cos square A. I will get here the numerator is 2 tan A divided by sin square A by cos square A means tan square A plus cos square A by cos square A means 1. So, sin 2A is equal to 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Now, I found here sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A and sin 2A in terms of tan is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Now, you observe sin multiples of sin A. Now, in place of 2A, I will replace sin 2A by 2 is equal to each and every angle divided by 2 ma. You will get submultiple angle 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. It is nothing but sin A is equal to 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. And you observe the tan value. Sin 2A is 2 tan A divided by 1 plus tan square A. So, divide angles by 2. We will get here sin 2A by 2 equal to 2 tan A by 2, 2 tan A by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A by 2, 1 plus tan square A by 2. So, we will get here sin A is equal to 2 tan A by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A by 2. These are what, ma? Submultiples of sine. Now similarly we can find for cos also.
Okay.
We know cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now replace a is equal to b or b is equal to a, your wish. We will get here cos a plus a is equal to cos a into cos a minus sin a into sin a. So we'll get here cos 2a is equal to, I am finding cos multiples 2a. Cos a into cos a, cos square a minus sin a into sin a, sin square a. Now cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a. Now I want cos 2a value in terms of only cos. Then replace cos square a minus sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a. We know the identity. You observe here rough column. We know that sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. I have to get the value for sin square a. So sin square a keep here only. Sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. So replace sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. Then we will get here cos square a minus 1 minus into minus plus cos square a. So we will get here cos square a plus cos square a is 2 cos square a minus 1. This is cos 2a value in terms of only cos. Now cos 2a is, we know cos 2a value cos square a minus sin square a, just now I found. Now I want cos 2a value in terms of only sin. Then cos square a can be replaced as cos square a is nothing but 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a. So we'll get here 1 minus 2 sin square a. Now cos 2a value in terms of tan. So we know that cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Now cos square a minus sin square a can be written as cos square a minus sin square a by 1. Now we will get here cos square a minus sin square a by using identity in terms of sin and cos. 1 can be written as sin square a plus cos square a. 1 can be written as sin square a plus cos square a value is 1. Now divide each and every term by cos. So by dividing we will get cos square a by cos square a. Numerator terms sin square a by cos square a, because I want in terms of only tan, sin square a by cos square a plus cos square a by cos square a. So we'll get here cos square a by cos square a is 1. 1 minus sin square a by cos square a is tan square a divided by sin square a by cos square a is tan square a plus cos square a by cos square a is 1. So we'll get here cos 2a value 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Now how many we found for cos, ma? We found here cos 2a value in terms of cos 2 cos square a minus 1. In terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square a. In terms of tan cos 2a value 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Now we got cos 2a value as cos square a minus sin square a, 2 cos square a minus 1, cos 2a value is 1 minus 2 sin square a, cos 2a value is 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Now I want its submultiple. So I have to get cos a value. Cos a is nothing but divide each and every angle by 2. We will get cos a is equal to cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. Or in terms of cos, we will get 2 cos a by 2 minus 1. In terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. In terms of tan, 1 minus tan square a by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square a by 2. So these all are submultiples of cos 2a. Now about tan. So we know that tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Now I want to find tan 2a. Put b is equal to a. The similar concept. We will get tan of a plus a is equal to tan a plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a into tan a. Replace in place of b a. Wherever b is there, replace a. Now I will get here tan 2a is equal to tan a plus tan a is 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan a into tan a is tan square a. This is tan 2a value. So what is tan a? Now tan a is equal to submultiples of 2a. Tan a is equal to divide each and every angle by 2. We will get here 2 tan a by 2 by 1 minus tan square a by 2. So this is tan a value. Similarly, cot of a plus b value is cot b into cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Now again the same thing. Replace b is equal to a. We'll get here cot of a plus a is equal to cot a into cot a minus 1 by cot a plus cot a. We'll get cot 2a is equal to cot a into cot a is cot square a minus 1 by cot a plus cot a is 2 cot a. Now what is submultiple of cot 2a? Cot 2a by 2, that is cot a. Directly I am writing cot a is equal to cot square a by 2 minus 1 by 2 cot a by 2. So these all are submultiples of sin, cos, tan and cot. Students, if you like this class, please like and share my class and subscribe my channel. Thank you.